Alright, it's time to start some new builds. It is gonna be for the JDM Jam 2018. It's gonna be held by Michael's Diecast Garage. There's gonna be a couple different events. The first race is gonna be JDM Japanese domestic cars only, which in my race last year, this Supra was the winner and this guy was third. So maybe I'll send one of these, but probably not. I may build a new one. In the cars only race, there'd be no vans, no minivans, no crossovers, no wagons, no Toyotas, trucks, no any kind of trucks, just cars. There's going to be no weight limit in that class, in the JDM cars class. The class we're going to be building now, the only thing about the weight limit is it has to all be inside the car. Like all of my builds are inside the car. The second race, well, first of all, let me say that first race is going to be held on his Texas Cyclone track, which is pretty sweet. It's a 30-foot track with about a 6-foot drop. It's pretty fast. Race number 2 is going to be the Mini Trucks Rally, which is why we have these mini trucks on my track. In the Mini Truck Rally, you can send 2 cars in per person. The other race you can only send 1. These trucks are going to have a 57-gram weight limit. They can only weigh 57 grams. Weight's got to be inside the truck, or it cannot extend over the top of the bed here. So that's legit. No camper tops. Only dry lubes. Entry fee's $1. And if you want your car back, you got to send 4 on top of that. That way you can have him ship it back. The first race is going to be a pinks race, so you send it. If you lose, if you are not the winner, you lose your car. The winner gets everybody's cars. But in this race, you can pay to have it shipped back. If you don't pay to have it shipped back, the winner will get it. So, if you want to be in this race, you can visit MDG Racing, Michael's Diecast Garage, on YouTube. I'll leave a link. Or a lot of you guys are probably members of Hot Wheels Downhill Racing on Facebook. That's where a lot of the communication goes on. So we're going to pick some cars here that we're going to modify, and I've already picked mine. I'm going to build myself this Matchbox Colorado, which is a nice little car. And we got some more racers joining us today that are going to be building some cars. We've got the builder, driver, operator of Ravenclaw Racing. Who are you? Are you Ravenclaw Racing?
Yes.
And what race team are you? Oh, she forgot her race team name. She's camera shy. Wings of Fire. So we got Wings of Fire and Ravenclaw. Which car are you going to be racing, Wings of Fire?
This one.
You're going to be building the Datsun. And Ravenclaw is going to be building the Dodge Sidewinder. I'm going to be building at least 2 cars. I'm also going to be building this SSR Chevy. And I'll probably build one of these mini trucks right here. Either probably one of the ones with the wheels like this. This car right here, I think is pretty fast stock. It's a Volkswagen, but we'll find out. So what we're about to do now, if we got Ravenclaw, we're going to take these cars, we're going to remove the timer. Not the timer, we need the timer. But we're removing the finish line because we're going to have some solo runs here. And we're we're going to time these cars down the track. Let's line them up out of lane 1. Let's leave lane 2 clear also. And we're going to see how fast these cars run before mods. Let's see who the fastest is going to be. Like I said, we got a couple SSRs. We got a Matchbox. Got a Maestro. We got some Dodge Sidewinder, the mini truck, Mazda Repu. Very cool model. We got the Datsuns. We got a red Mazda Repu. We got this Volkswagen. We got the white Repu. More Datsuns and Sidewinders. We got the Volkswagen. Wonder if anybody will build the wagon caddy. A couple of examples of that there. There's that other SSR, that's the Maestro. You ready to record these times, girl?
Yeah.
We'll start it out with the Colorado. Uh-oh, your pencil's gone and your paper is scribbled upon. Oh, flip it over. I may have to close this blind. It might mess up my sensor here. Alright. We'll run 2 runs. Alright. This is the Colorado, Carly. Ready. .365 for the Colorado. That's a good time. 2.365. Second run, you ready? .382. So we got a 2.365 and 2.382. You don't have to write Colorado twice on there. You can just write Colorado and then write 1 and then write the next one second. Save you a lot of room, okay? Alright, now we got my Matchbox SSR. See what it'll do. Seems slow. 2.386. Is that what the last one ran? 2.386? I may not have reset it. Let's redo that. I don't think it ran that fast.
No, it's 2.382.
Okay, it did then. 2.386. This is SSR. Oh, did you smash your finger, little girl? You need a kiss? Need a kiss? Careful, okay? Alright, second run for the SSR. 2.365 for the SSR. Did you pick the popcorn truck? That's not the one you picked. The Sidewinder popcorn truck. We got a little climbing 1-year-old trying to climb on the track. Hey, you can't climb on the track, booty. Sidewinder range. Run 1. 2.423. This is popcorn. You can just call it popcorn. 2.423 popcorn. Second one. 2.398. Alright. You ready? This is the Chloe. But we're just going to write 620. That's going to be the name of this car. Chloe 620. Reset the timer. Here we go. 2.357. What's the fastest time we've had so far? That one? Yep, 2.357. That's the fastest time. See what it'll do in run number 2. 2.372. Which one did you pick? You want to go ahead and run it? This orange one? This is Carly's pick. I mean, Ravenclaw Racing's pick. It's the really cool orange Dodge Sidewinder. Run 1. Just put, just put Sidewinder or something. Carly. Go. 2.410. That's right, this one was not graphited. Sorry, I was shaking the camera there, trying to spin the wheels like a doofus. Did you get the time? Alright, run 2. 2.403. What's the fastest time? Still the same one? Now you go mini truck. Green. Didn't reset the timer. Get it together, son. Alright, here we go. Mini truck green. Go. Really sounds slow. 2.644. Oh, I know I didn't graphite. Well, maybe I did. Maybe it's the one I didn't graphite. Shows you the difference in graphiting and not graphiting. 2.644. That is the slowest time, I'm sure.
It is.
Run 2. 2.437. A lot faster after one break-in run. Still not fast enough. Alright, we're going with the gray Repu. R-E-P-U. It's a weird name for a car. 2.437. Nobody's outran Chloe's yet, have they? Run 2. 2.358. What's the fastest time so far?
I think it's...
What was her car? Right here. 357. Put a little mark by it so we can find it when we need to look again. Now we go in with the 620 sticker. There we go. 620 sticker. And it ran a 363. 2.363. Run number 2. 2.368. Very close to the first time. Now we go in with Black Mini. What you doing down there, naked girl? That's what happens when the kids spend the day with daddy. With racing Hot Wheels. Oh. 2.413. Not too good. Alright, round number 2. Trying to make this faster. There we go. Boom. 2.384. As Chloe's has the fastest time, we'll put it up here on top. Alright, now we're going with the... Was there already a black? No, we had gray 620, right? Now we're doing black 620. run for the black 620. 2.394. The next car will be the red Repu. Black 620. 2.392. Might notice a little difference in the track. Saying of the day: when justice becomes law, rebellion becomes duty. Go go Maxella. You want to pick one of these cars that'll be your race car? Or one of the trucks? We're going with the red Repu. Back up, bud. I gotta get these racing. With what thing? With what? With what, boo? What you mean what happened with it? The TV turned off? Okay, just turn it back on. 2.487. The next one's going to be the white Repu. Are you going to sit there and cry while I'm trying to make this video, or you want to just go try to turn it back on there, girl?
What's the next one?
The white Repu is next. I'm not stopping what we're doing to go try to turn the TV on for you. Go. If you're going to whine, you need to go out of here. 2.404.
It didn't turn on.
Well, what happened to it?
Like, Max pushed me and like at the bottom it pressed like a weird button.
Oh, well, I can't fix it from here, and I'm in the middle of a race, so. White Repu, run one. 2.482. The next one's going to be the green 620. We're trying to do this fast. We're running out of time. White Repu. Boom! 2.490. Green 620. 2.592. This is going to be fast forward now. The next one's going to be the white convertible. Go! Terrible run. 2.586 for the green 620. Are you going to keep asking me questions about the TV that you broke while I'm doing this?
I'm not.
Alright, then just hold. This is what kids do when they don't get their way. Back to the race. White convertible. Boom! 2.437. The next one, Carly, is going to be the orange 620. Oh, that one seemed faster. 2.435. Did you get it? You didn't? 2.435. Alright, now we're going with the orange VW. Orange VW. Go. Slow. Nope. 2.380. That was fast. Faster than I thought. You got 2.380? Run to 2.320. That's the fastest time, I believe. Alright, now we're going with the red VW.
Ow! No.
2.442.
That's not funny. Max, stop.
Whoa. Alright, next one. Second run for the red VW. 2.425. Now we'll go with the orange SSR. The Maestro on the mic. 1, 2, 3. 2.408. 3D bot maker timer. Just a quick pause to show the quality 3D bot maker timer. The orange SSR got to run its second run. Next is going to be the orange convertible. Boom! 2.320, tied for the fastest time. I'm kind of surprised at the two that are the fastest. Ready, go! 2.476. The next one's going to be the red Dodge. Alright, second run. 2.472. Two cars left. The red Dodge. $2.461. Another run for the red Dodge. $2.456. Look at that girl, Ravenclaw Racing, getting it done over there on the pen and paper. That's what I'm talking about. Very fast, and keeping up with me. Last racer, the white 620. Alright, ready, go. 2.460. One more run. 2.433. So that's all of them. See if you can find anybody. Here's the times. 2.4. Who's in the 2.3s? 2.365 with the Colorado. The SSR. So there's quite a few in the 2.3s. So looks like, which other ones was it? The SSR, the Colorado, a few of them.